So today we are going to be doing an Ulta haul. Alright. I spent a good pretty penny at Ulta. Okay. So some of this is Christmas gift, so my sister says she's not going to watch the video because I got her Christmas as well. So the first thing I'm pulling out for you is the Kylie Christmas set. It's $49. It comes with an eyeshadow, which is this right here, a blush, a lip liner, and 2 lipsticks, a liquid lipstick and a bullet form. And I created this look using the blush, the eyeshadow, the liquid lipstick, and the lip liner. So it's really nice. It's a beautiful set. It's well worth the $49. If you want to try Kylie Cosmetics and haven't tried anything, this is a good set to pick up to try. Okay, next thing in my list, I picked up a primer. It's called the Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer. I got it in a special edition package because it's Christmas time. But it looks like this. Comes in a beautiful frosted glass bottle. It looks like this. It kind of reminds me of the Tarte primer. That you got to warm up in your fingers before you put it on. And that primer is amazing. My sister has that primer, so I've used that. So I like that. So I tried this today. This was really nice too. Okay. I got a Nars lipstick in the color Chelsea Girls. And it's a nude. I liked it because I don't have many nudes, and I am trying to wear more nudes because all I have are bright colors or reds, and you know I love my red colors, but it doesn't go with a lot of outfits, and you know you gotta pick and choose. Next, this is a Christmas gift. I got a blush from Kylie Cosmetics. It's called Pink Power. It's a beautiful pink color. I hope my sister has nothing like it, because I liked it and I wanted it, but I was like, I don't want it just for me. I was like, my sister would like that too. I hope. And I hope she doesn't have anything like it, or that particular blush. I know she has a few Kylie blushes, so and then I picked up the Too Faced Tutti Frutti blush in the strawberry. Smells good. This is beautiful packaging. But Yeah, I picked this up. These are beautiful blushes. They're probably more summery blushes, but I don't care. I like blush. I like all kinds of blush. Yeah, but I did pick that up. It's got a beautiful box too. See, look. And the last thing I picked up is a Christmas gift for my sister. It's Clinique Happy and Bloom, the perfume. She loves perfume. She loves this perfume. She buys it like twice a year. So I don't know, like, I figured I'll pick it up. I don't know. My sister placed an order. She ordered a before me, and she got it. She ordered a curling iron, which was really cute too. It was a regular curling iron. I haven't seen a regular curling iron in I don't know how long. But so this is a Christmas gift, and this is a Christmas gift for my sister. And hopefully she likes the blush, because it's not a normal, like, everyday color. And I know that I tried to pick out something that she would like, that I can also use, that I would like. That's why I tend to ask what she likes and what she doesn't like. I went a little ham on Christmas this year for her. So, but that is what I got at Ulta. That is my Ulta haul. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put it in the comment section down below. And I do want to thank you and hope you have a wonderful day.